Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make roti nachos at home, only way. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees F and cut rotis into triangles before baking briefly. I'll walk you through seasoning, layering, and melting cheese for perfect bite-sized nachos. Expect simple pantry ingredients, quick assembly, and tips to keep toppings balanced so every bite stays crisp and flavorful. Warm and friendly tip. Make sure rotis are slightly undercooked for pliability, then crisp them up in the oven. I recommend a light brush of oil and a sprinkle of salt and chili powder for a flavor base. Arrange pieces in a single layer and watch closely so they turn golden evenly. That crisp edge is what makes roti nachos uniquely satisfying and snackable. Build nachos smartly. Cheese first, then hearty toppings, then a final cheese layer to glue everything together. I'll show measured portions so no bite is overloaded and toppings heat evenly. Use pre-cooked proteins and quick saute vegetables to save time. Finish with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos, and a dollop of yogurt or salsa to lift the flavors and keep each chip exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.